No time for seatbelt! Hold on! Mama's gonna gas this thing!
Well, this is unfortunate. I'm not even trying.
I hope nobody chases me! 3, 2, 1. Lift off! Oh, what? Oh, the jump, the jump, the jump, the jump!
You're a fucking bitch! It'd be nice if you could win one goddamn game to— Oh, Jesus Christ!
Hey, yo, you know this, boy. He's got his free taco.
Kayla Collin, run in here and come get y'all juice.
And now we're gonna play Don't Let Go. Do not play if you have fear.
I am fancy as fuck.
Ah! What the fuck was that? Woo! Be free. Okay, well, I guess I'll see you later. I don't know what I'm doing, but I love it.
Bitch.
Did you see that?